Hi dear viewers, and welcome to this tutorial on data structures in R. In this video, we will be discussing the different types of data structures available in R and how to use them effectively in your data analysis projects. First, we will start with the basic data structures in R, the vector. Vectors are one-dimensional arrays of data and can be created using the combine function. For example, we're gonna create a vector of numbers from 1 to 5. We're gonna also create a vector of strings. We're gonna access the first and last elements of the vector. Also, we can access a range of elements from 2 to 4. We can also work with mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Also, we can combine two vectors or removing duplicates. We can also sort this vector in ascending order or descending order. Vectors can also be combined to create matrix, which is a two-dimensional array of data. To create a matrix, we use the matrix function and specify the number of rows and columns. For example, we're gonna create a matrix with 4 lines and 4 columns. We're gonna access the element in the second row and the third column. We're gonna access all elements in the third column. Also, we're gonna access all elements in the second row. We can also transpose in a matrix. We're gonna multiply a matrix by a scalar, which is in our case is 2. And let us try the matrix multiplication. We can invert a matrix using solve function. We're gonna add and subtract two matrices. And that concludes our tutorial today. I hope you find this video helpful and learn something new. Please stay tuned for part 2 and data structures in R. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and videos on data analysis and programming.